Hi guys, this is Jones. Today at the shooting range, and this is more or less, let's call it a preview of a new gun. Preview in the sense that you will see me shoot it. It's a Smith Wesson 65. Won it at an auction, and yeah, it's gonna be my new go-to revolver. Have used it a couple of times, and well, what you can see here is just me finishing a phone call, setting up, having some coffee, and yeah, just enjoying myself, doing what I like, and trying to keep it together. With that, I mean, every week I try to do what I have to do. I work, take care of my family, take care of my son, and so on, and also make it to the gym at least 3 times a week, maybe 4, maybe 5, and to also go shoot once or twice. Had a competition last weekend, didn't go well. It went as expected, but not as I wanted to. So need to practice some more, keep improving, and yeah, just maintaining or improving my skills. So thank you guys, and see you soon.